Hi guys, it's Evelyn from Career Jump here, and in this video I will talk about what applicant tracking systems are and how they're used by recruiters. Applicant Tracking Systems, or the short ATS, is a software that is used by employers and recruiters to effectively manage job applications. What it does, it basically collects, tracks, sorts, and sifts through the CVs that are sent by the job candidates. By using an ATS, recruiters lessen the administration burden of going through hundreds and sometimes thousands of job applications. I'll give you an example. So if you are a recruiter, you would get on average for one job opening, normally let's say within customer service, 250 applications. Now imagine that you have 10 job openings that you're responsible for. If we do the maths, this is 2,500 applications. Do you think that physically it is possible for one person to do all of these checks, to check the CV, to make sure that this is the best candidate, to look at the keywords, to look at what they have done, all their skills, all that kind of stuff? It becomes an impossible task. And considering the times that we live in, very, very dynamic times, we can't have this. Therefore, recruiters have the applicant tracking systems, which supports them into sifting through all of these applications and also tracking the progress of the candidates. Nowadays, most large organizations use applicant tracking systems, but more and more medium and smaller sized employers are also looking into getting one. And of course, recruitment agencies, they definitely use applicant tracking systems with very small exceptions, of course. There are probably dozens of applicant tracking systems out in the market, and they have their own features and strengths. However, in general, if we look at applicant tracking systems, they work in a very, very similar way. For me to explain how the system works, because again, imagine software. I really like to compare with a search engine, or let's say Google, which is one of the most popular, obviously. So imagine that you are looking for something on Google. So what you do, you go onto Google and you start typing keywords, or you start typing the whole question, basically whatever you want to find. And then what happens is Google brings up all the results that are relevant to your search. And it gives you the most relevant on the top and then going towards the bottom. The applicant tracking systems work in a very similar way. So basically, what the system does is it finds the relevant to the job candidates. So the recruiter goes there, puts whatever they need to put, like keywords or any other requirements they have, and then the software matches you with the job and gives you a score. It could be a percentage, it could be a score, but basically it says how suitable and how good of a match you are to the job. So if you are a good match, then you go first in the search criteria, obviously. And then this is the moment where the recruiter will look at the CV and then they'll decide if they want to invite you for an interview or not. Not all applicant tracking systems, but quite a big percentage of them are basically automatically matching your CV with the job description. They're comparing it and, as I said, giving you a score. And this is when the recruiter checks it. A lot of people are saying, okay, I sent X amount of X number of applications and I'm not getting a reply. The reason is not because you're not the good candidate. You can be the best candidate, the most qualified with the best experience from all the candidates. But if your CV is not optimized for the applicant tracking system, the system won't pick it up and you won't come up on the search results and no one will ever open your CV. Statistics say that around 70% of the CVs are not even looked at by a person because they're not picked up by that software. In next week's video, I'm going to talk about how to beat up the applicant tracking systems by just following some basic and very simple rules. So stay tuned and check my channel next Wednesday for the video that will help you generate more interviews with your CV. Are you looking for a new job, but you don't know where to start from? You feel lost, frustrated by all that information that's out there? So if this is the case, head to our website at careerjump.co.uk and download our completely free 21-day career jumpstart plan. It will help you by giving you all the tools that you need to kickstart your job search and succeed when looking for a new position. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on career development. Thank you so much for your support.